Welcome back to all of you on my channel. This is Samiruddin and you are watching Samiruddin Consultancy YouTube channel. In previous video, we have discussed about introduction of Google Ads and some basic differences between SEO, Google Ads and Google AdWords. Now we are going to discuss some factors related to Google Ads. So without wasting our time, we can go to our second lecture. So let's get started. In this video, we will talk about some factors. Even if you are very experienced ad manager, then also these factors will help you a lot. Here you can see 64.6% of the people click Google Ads when they are looking to buy an item online. This study says from WordStream. If you search WordStream on Google, you will find it is very famous blog and tools provider for online advertising. According to this, approx 65% of the people click Google Ads link while they are searching something to buy. Because of Google Ads are paid platform, so we have to take care of the ROI too. And our return of investment depends on how we implement Google Ads. Because if you are untrained and you place ads, then there is less chance that you will get a good ROI. But if you are trained and follow the steps, then you can get a good return of investment. If you do all competitive research and bid on the right keywords, then you will maximize ROI. And the question comes, how much ROI can be achieved? I have stats on Google's blog. It says that businesses generally makes an average of $2 revenue for every $1 they spend on Google Ads. Meaning we are doing almost twice the rate. Third point has been seen that 98% of the traffic generated by search ads is not replaced by organic click when ads are paused. I got these whole stats from Google's blog. Did it mean about 90% of the traffic that comes through Google Ads and we think during the campaign to stop the ads, then will the traffic that was through the Google Ads still come? So the answer is no. About 90% of the traffic that comes through Google Ads does not convert to organic result after pause ad campaign, which means that there is nothing more than Google Ads for any kind of businesses. All these facts tell us about the importance of Google Ads. Now let's talk about those factors because of which Google Ads does not succeed. And the question arises, why our Google Ads not performing well? So the answer is that there may be some factors due to which your Google Ads is not performing. If you have a little knowledge of Google Ads, then you can understand these terms, and we will learn this term in future tutorial in better way. Apart from this, there are many more factors which we will discuss in upcoming video series. As a reason, broad keyword terms. This means the keyword relevance factor is being missed a bit. When you take a very broad keyword terms, that means when we take very high scope keywords. Suppose you have a digital marketing institute and you want to run Google Ads campaign for your digital marketing institute, but unfortunately the keyword you have taken is digital marketing neither Digital Marketing Institute nor digital marketing classes. So the mistakes of this type sometimes happen, which is very much related to your keyword research. Next is irrelevant keyword. Next is irrelevant keyword or irrelevant ads. Suppose if you are a footwear seller, then you should choose relevant keywords like buy online shoes, buy best shoes, etc. instead of some irrelevant keywords like Reebok, Adidas, Sri Leather, etc. because it doesn't describe if anyone wants to buy online shoes or not. If you take such keyword, this means that audience intent is not scoring. Another is low quality scoring, and most importantly, a poor landing page may be a cause of Google Ads failure. This means that only clicks do not matter. If the user comes by clicking, then they will also need to good experience in the website because it depends on whether they buy the product or not. If you have ever run Google Ads campaign and have not been successful, then you need to focus on all these factors. We are going to describe all these points in the upcoming videos as well. So in upcoming videos, we will know more about Google Ads as the search engine, which ads run, how are they made, how are they optimized, how does this whole mechanism work technically, how does bidding work, what is the role of our competitor, what are the factors depends on Google Ads. So if you like this video, then you will definitely like it and also share it to your friends because this course is going to be very important in this lockdown. And you must have subscribed to my channel because I am going to bring many important courses in the coming time which will be free of cost available on my YouTube channel and blog. Now allow your friend. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Goodbye.